Here we go, baby Jake. Wheels. Yes, wheels. Runner beans and tomatoes. It's going to be a vegetable patch adventure. Time for an adventure. Yoggi Yacki. Magic fun with baby Jake. Yoggi Yacki. If you want to have some fun, Yoggi Yacki. Come and play with Magic Baby. Yoggi Yacki. Hello, Jake. Wheels. Yes, baby Jake. Runner beans. Right. Wow! The runner bean is running away. Zoom, zoom, zoom. You're right, baby Jake. It's not a runner bean. It's a caterpillar. A very wiggly caterpillar. Uh-oh. You're going to wriggle too, aren't you, baby Jake? Yeah. You're wriggling up the bean pole. Yoggi. And sliding all the way back down again. Yoggi. Hooray! It's Nibbles the rabbit. Hello, Nibbles. The caterpillars come to say hello too. Yoggi. Follow that wriggly caterpillar. Baby Jake loves to tummy wriggle. Nibbles too, wriggle and giggle. Baby Jake wants to sing with you. You know the words, you used to sing them too. Yacki Yacki Yogi, do do dee, bo bo bo, wee wee, do say. Yacki Yacki Yogi, moo moo moo. That's just what we love to do. Yacki Yacki Yogi with the hamster gnaw. Flappy clappy fun with Nibbles, of course. Swingle on Sydney on her vine. And Pengy Quiz slaps his feet in time. Yacki Yacki Yogi, let's do it again. Yacki Yacki Yogi, do do dee, bo bo bo, bing bing do say. Yacki Yacki Yogi, moo moo moo. That's just what we love to do. Yacki Yacki Yogi, do do dee, bo bo bo, bing bing do say. Yacki Yacki Yogi, moo moo moo. Hope you love to do it too. Good idea. Wriggle and giggle until you find the caterpillar. He's there. Oh, he's gone. He's wriggled through the hole in the leaf. Oh, same. He's there. Oh, he's gone. He's there. He's there. He must be inside the apple, Jaki. He's not inside. Uh-oh. Yoggi. It's the caterpillar. He's being very, very, very wriggly now. Oh, I see. The caterpillar's wriggled into a cocoon. I think he's upside down asleep. Wow, a butterfly! Mama! The caterpillar's turned into a butterfly! Uh-oh! You're not going to, are you, Baby Jake? Yeah. Ooh. Oh. Mama! Whoa, look at you! You've got butterfly wings too! That's magic, Baby Jake. Hello, Jake. Hello. Yes, hello, Firefly. I love how the fireflies leave a trail of light. It's so pretty. Yes, Baby Jake. The firefly's lighting up leaves everywhere it goes. Daddy. Easy? Oh, it's Sydney the monkey. Look at your tail, Sydney. The firefly has made it light up. More fireflies, all different colours. This is... Yes, the fireflies are lighting up the way, Baby Jake. The firefly is lighting up your nose, Baby Jake. Now it's lighting up your hand. Baby Jake, your hands are like pretty lights. Your hands have made Sydney's tail light up again. Wow, Baby Jake. Everything you touch turns into a pretty light. Uh-oh! You're not going to, are you, Baby Jake? Yeah. You are. Wow! I like your pretty flower lights, Jaki. Boring teachers. Your tree looks so beautiful, Baby Jake. You've had an idea, haven't you, Baby Jake? Yeah. The firefly Fireflies are lighting the path towards Baby Moon. Wow! A Baby Moon disco light. Now that's magic, Baby Jake.
Bye-bye soon.
Yes, bye-bye, Baby Moon.
Easy. Bye-bye soon.
Bye-bye, Sydney. Baby Jake loves the fireflies' glow. Pretty lights, out they go.
Whoa.
Hello, Jake. You're dressed up as a bee.
Careful.
Uh-oh. You're not going to, are you, Baby Jake?
Yeah.
You are. You're flying like a buzzy bee.
No nose.
It's Nibbles the rabbit on his pogo stick. Hello, Nibbles.
Careful.
Oh no, the buzzy bee has buzzed away again.
Uh-oh. What's that? The buzz.
Good idea, Jakey. Fly after that buzzy bee. You two are flying higher than the rainbow and above the clouds. Wow, Baby Jake, you're in space. Hello, sunflower sun. Hello, Baby Moon.
Okay. It is.
Yes, it's Captain Spacey and the Hamsternauts. They're ready for tea.
Whoa.
Hello, everyone.
Oh yeah, perfect.
A planet made of honey.
Yes.
Golden space honey everywhere. A honey waterfall. And a honey well.
Careful.
Yes, Baby Jake. Purple space bees are making all this sticky space honey.
Try this.
Jakey, I think that means follow us.
Sorry, Dad.
Oh, I see, Baby Jake. The buzzy bee wants your help at the honey well.
It's still here.
And I can see some hungry hamsternauts ready for some honey. Push the lever. Honey for Captain Spacey and the hamsternauts tea. Sticky honey. Yum, yum.
Uh-oh.
Are you okay, Captain Spacey? Meet up, everyone! You really are a magic buddy baby, Jaki.
Hello.
Hello, astronaut Jake.
Daba.
Daba?
Daba.
It is! It's space paint!
Let me do this. Daba.
Yes, green space paint. Look out!
Daba. Daba.
More space paint! Red and yellow. Uh-oh! You're not going to, are you, baby Jake? Good idea, Jakey. Catch! Try again, baby Jake.
Daba. Got you.
Again! Captain Spacey!
Uh-oh. Oh dear. Kite.
Yes, you need more space painters.
Hello.
Hooray! It's the hamsternauts! Hello, hamsternauts!
Daba.
Yes! Paint that planet, everyone!
Puppy fish. Pasa.
Wow! Handprint!
Pasa.
Footprints! Bottom prints!
Daba. Okay.
Yes, Jakey. All the space paint has gone. Everybody, you've made a great space painting on that planet.
Mama.
It's a butterfly. A space painted butterfly.
Hello.
Look, the butterfly's cleaning you up. And the hamsternauts. That's magic, baby Jake.
Mama. It's still here. Bye-bye soon.
Bye-bye, butterfly. Bye-bye, Captain Spacey. Bye-bye, hamsternauts. It was great space painting with you. Baby Jake loves to paint in space. Lots of paint all over the place.